Hi everyone, this is Japanese Study Hub. Welcome back to our official YouTube channel. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you next 5 hiragana characters. These are sa, she, su, se and so characters. So already we have done hiragana vowels and first 5 consonants. If you missed that previous hiragana tutorials, you can find them by clicking the above mentioned cards. Okay then, let's get started to learn sa, she, su, se and so characters step by step. First character is sa. First step. Second step. Third step. Sa. Character sa. The second one is she. She letter has only one step. She. Third one is su. First step. Second step. Su. Letter su. Fourth character is se. Character se. First step. Second step. Third step. Se. Character se. Final character for today's lesson is so. Letter so. If you liked today's lesson, make sure to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel.